Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now, first and easiest thing to check is the horn fuse, but if the fuse proves to be good, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and look at the horn itself, or possibly the airbag clock spring, which is the most common cause of horn not working. Horn fuse is located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. Now, to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press this tab together and lift it up, and you'll do the same with the other one. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have a nice fuse diagram, and right here you have a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the horn fuse is a fuse number 34, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.